So I got to tell you about this CR because it has some history with me and my brother. It's been around quite a while. It's an 88 CR80. A long time ago, my brother was passing by a guy's place and saw that it had been sitting. He asked, "You want to sell it?" He said, "Yeah, we don't use it anymore." My brother bought it. So he had it for a while, let me borrow it, and then some thieves stole it from my house. So about 2 days later, the cops got it and they returned it, but the thieves had ran straight gas in it and destroyed the top end. It hasn't ran in 12 years. I sent the cylinder to Millennium. They did an awesome job. I'm just glad to see it back. So I'm missing, let's see, one panel, the side panel. I want to get that for the air box and just to keep it clean, but it's all there. So let's walk around and look at it. It had been sitting for a while. So basically it doesn't have very many hours on it. I mean, it's just in great shape. It needs cleaned a little bit. I did give it a quickie bath. I guess I'm missing two side panels. So it has some wear, but for 32 years old, it's in excellent condition. So here in the near future, I will check the front brake pads and put new brake fluid in it and bleed the brakes, change the transmission oil. It needs both tires and tubes, of course, and then chain and sprockets. I mean, standard dirt bike stuff, they always need that. But what a fun bike. So I'm getting ready to show you what it sounds like.
Hi, this is a project that my dad's been working on. It's a dirt bike 2-stroke. And he's about to start it for you. Oh wow, that is loud! Wow. That thing is loud. And